27 inches. Full HD, 1920 by 1080, widescreen with NVIDIA G-SYNC technology. NVIDIA G-SYNC synchronizes the refresh rates between the GPU and display, eliminating screen tearing and minimizing display stutter and input lag. 240 Hz refresh rate, delivers powerful performance so that you can get the most out of your games and videos. 1 millisecond response time, delivers ultra-fast performance, minimizing lag and time to screen. Signal inputs, 1x HDMI v1.4 and 1x DisplayPort v1.2 and 4 USB 3.0 ports. Mounting type, VESA mount standard 100 by 100. We are giving a free giveaway of this monitor to 3 users in 3 different colors. Since we are given this as a review product free of cost from the vendor, now we have decided to give away this product to 3 lucky users. As our slogan goes, first come first service. We will select the users from our first 100 viewers, so you might be the one to get this. Simply click the link below to get this. Any part of the world will be accepted. Note, if you have got any of our giveaway before then, you will not be accepted for this.